This section deals with Japan in Southeast Asia and Japan's partnership with India and Australia. Southeast Asia is a key area for Japan. It has been important in terms of access to natural resources. Remember that before 1945, Japan's Imperial Army extended its rule in the region to create a co-prosperity sphere. The area is also significant because it hosts key maritime routes vital for Japan's trade and energy supply. Southeast Asia is central for the regional integration that developed around ASEAN, the Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Finally, more recently, Southeast Asia is considered as a pivot area that will define the future of the Asian order. ASEAN states do not want to choose a side between the US and China. They want to engage with as many actors as possible. So in this perspective, to gain the support of Southeast Asia is crucial to ensure the success of Japan's free and open Indo-Pacific vision. Japan has been a key provider of economic aid to the region, starting in the 1950s. It helped to support the Southeast Asian countries' development and integrate the region through the industrial supply chains. Therefore, Japan soon appeared as the growth engine of Asia and its economic leader. One illustration is the Asian Development Bank that was founded in 1966. The bank received 20% of its funding from Japan and is traditionally headed by a Japanese national, even today. Japan has been and is still a key contributor to regional infrastructure and connectivity. The map on this slide shows all the current initiatives now gathered under the Free and Open Indo-Pacific vision. In 1977, then Prime Minister Yasuo Fukuda stated that Japan should not only focus on economic and trading ties with Southeast Asia, but should also act as a responsible stakeholder. Tokyo promised to build up friendly political ties while refraining from any military intervention. As the resentment regarding the previous behavior of Japan faded, Tokyo also started to contribute to regional security. The first deployment of the self-defense forces in the UN peacekeeping operation took place in 1992 in Cambodia. Since the mid-2000s, Japan has also been a very proactive actor to support maritime security in the region, be it for countering piracy or to enhance the maritime surveillance capability of its partners. And so today, Japan is very much seen in Southeast Asia as a benevolent and trusted partner. The partnership with India, as well as with Australia, developed in the context of a counterbalancing strategy vis-à-vis China, an attempt to keep the US engaged in the region. In 2007, Abe made a speech before the Indian Parliament. Entitled The Confluence of the Two Seas, the speech articulated the grand vision that will give birth to the free and open Indo-Pacific. Subsequently, a strategic partnership was signed with India in 2008. In addition, India has been one of the largest recipients of Japan's official development assistance since 2003. Japan is still today the first provider of ODA to India. Its investment helps to build industrial corridors and transportation infrastructure. Their security cooperation has been dynamic, in particular in the maritime domain, as India is also concerned about Chinese expansion in the Indian Ocean. India is thus a strategic partner for the realization of the free and open Indo-Pacific. In a similar context, Japan built up its partnership with Australia beginning in 2007. In addition to growing trade relations, the two countries expanded their security cooperation to the extent that they see each other as quasi-allies. The relations between Japan, India, Australia, and the US deepened even more with the setup of the Quadrilateral Dialogue, the so-called Quad, in 2007. The dialogue led to a joint exercise that sparked strong protest from China at that time. This quadrilateral initiative was therefore stopped, but the strategic rapprochement between these four countries continued over the years. Japan was instrumental in reviving the Quad in 2017. Beginning of October this year, Tokyo hosted a meeting with the four foreign ministers, as you can see on the picture. In doing so, Japan demonstrated its continuous leadership to uphold the cooperation between the four Asian maritime democracies.